When the method is called, it will go to outside the main, and it will call the method as name and go inside that and print the message what's your name. You see in here. In this script, I'll show you how to use the method in C# programming. To do that, let's say we create the program for asking the user to put the name and the age. So the first we create the method to ask the name. To do that, we will write the method ask name, that is, and this. So this method will be called. So I just comment this the method ask name is called like this. So after you create the method, you have to create the detail of the method outside the main. So to do that, you go outside the main. So in outside the main, we create the method. To do that, you write static list and void, and then we will write the name of the method. So ask name like this, and after that, inside the detail of the method, we will write to ask the name of the user. So we will write console dot write like, and in here we will write the message what is your name, like this. So you know that so when the method ask name is called, then it will go to the detail of the method ask name. So after that, it will go to the inside this one. Go to inside this one. Go to inside is the method ask name, and it will print the message ask what's your name. So let's try to run. So for example, that when we run our program, so now you see that the output is like this. So you see that the output is say what is your name, right? So this means that when we say when the method is called, it will go to outside the main, and it will call the method ask name and go inside that and print the message what's your name. You see in here. So to do that, so after we call the method to put the name, so we have to declare the string variable to receive or to get the value. So we say string and name. The variable name is name and equal and console dot read. It's a read line this like this. So after we receive, so we have to reply, right? So reply to the user. So we will create the method for reply name this, and here we have comment like the method reply name is called like this. And for the detail of the method reply name, we will go to write outside the main. So we go outside the main and we create the method name like this, static, and a void, and then we write the name, right? Reply name like this, and go like this. But we have to put the name in here, and here is write a name like this. Why? Because we will use the value that the user put input. So when this one we have the type of data to be string, so in here we should declare the string, right? So I just say string like this, and I say name like this, and inside here we will reply, right? So we write console dot write, and inside here we will say hello like this, and we will use the value name. Is the value name like this. So now you see that the first method it has no parameter, but the second method reply name, we will use the parameter name. When the user put the name, so we use the parameter name or the variable name to get the value, and then we send. When you put in here, it means that this value, the value of the variable name, will be sent to outside the main for the method reply name you see in here. So in that time, the variable name here will have the initial value like the variable name inside the main like this. So let's run our program to see what will happen. Just press Ctrl F5 on the keyboard, and then you'll see the result. So now you see that the result will be like this. The program will ask like, what is your name, right? For example, you will put the name, so I put Tadashi like this, and then the program will reply automatically that hello Tadashi to me. So this is about, we ask the user for the name, and then we will ask the egg. So the next we will create the method ask egg like this, and this method will be called, so we say the method ask egg is called like this. So we will create the detail of the method as it outside the main. So we go here and we say static and void. Then we write the name of the method as egg like this, and inside that we will ask the user to put the name. So we say console dot right, and here we will ask how old are you, like this. So end by semicolon, this one. So after that we will after we finish for the detail, we have to declare the variable to get the value of the egg. So the value of the egg will be integer. So we use the integer int, and the variable name is egg equal, and then we say convert dot to in 32, and that we say console dot read line, that is. So this means that for this sentence, for this statement, it will get the value of from the console, and after that it change the value to be the integer and save in the memory of the variable egg. So after we receive that value of the egg, we will reply, right? So after that, let's say we create the method for reply egg. So we say reply egg. We have the method this, and we call that the method reply egg is called. In here you see that we have to use the value of the variable egg from the user. So in here we put inside here egg, like this, and this one they call parameter. So after that we will go to create a detail for the method reply egg outside the main method main. So we go outside in here, and we will write static, like this, and void, and we write the name of the method reply egg, like this, and then you see that we have the parameter, right? The method reply egg it has the parameter egg. So in here we have to declare the integer and variable name egg, like this. So after that we reply to the user. So we use console dot write, and in here we say that you are this one 0, and say years on, like this, and in here is egg, there are variable name egg, like this. So here we can enter, like this. So this is about how to create the method reply egg. So now let's run a program. Press or Ctrl F5 on the keyboard. So now you see that the program is like this. So just what is your name? So for example, I say my name is Yamada, like this, and press enter. So it say, hello Yamada, how old are you? For example, I say 25 years old. So it say you are 25 years old.